Is about learn how to use KineMaster app for edit videos and photos. So first you have to click on plus icon. Then what type of video you want to check, YouTube, Instagram reel or Instagram post. I will want to take YouTube 16:9. Okay, then it will be open like this. Then it will tell that export your photos and video that you want to put in your edited video. So first you have to click on camera, take 3 photos, means what type of 10, 100, 20, 50, so many photos, but reminder of memory. Okay guys, then today we will edit this video. If you want to edit, click on this layer, text, then click on means what type of text you will be add, it will be added here. Then guys, you will be change the color of black, white, yellow, red, big, small and 360-degree movable. Okay guys, then what type of audio you will be want to take, then what type of recording you will be want to record from your mobile or your microphone. Okay, I will don't record this video till, and guys watch this video how it is full. If you want to add subscribe button, so you will be add all types of, you will be see my text is come here. And if you add video, so guys I will add this video. Okay guys, so you can what type of audio you will be choose. Okay, I will take this for your concentration here. Okay guys, check. So guys, you will be check that the video and audio is complete here. Then if you want to export this video, you can click on here, then export, then click on skip. Otherwise do not click anywhere, only keep on skip. Okay guys, then it will be exporting on your gallery or your mobile phone or your file manager. So guys, video is edited and export on your gallery or file manager. So guys, today's video is this for learn how to use KineMaster app. Our next video will come soon. So guys, please like, subscribe and share to your friends this video and channel. Subscribe. Guys, how would you like today's video? And next video will come soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.